Day 4. My surgery becoming a lot better. It's not that swelling anymore. So all good. Looks like it will rain soon, so I'm walking fast so I can go home before the rain pours. But still, so nice to walk this morning. Fresh air, river. I love it. Oh, they're getting dark. See ya! Bird. Hi. Nice sunny day. Happy Easter. They're so cute and tame. I will call you Birdie. Hi, Birdie.